Hi guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we are learning a new command, sweep1rule, and then we can make this run very easily. You can download the files from our website. So let's go to the file. You can see I have provided you some lines, and then we need to find sweep1rule command. If we want to create a surface, where should we go? We should find surface creation tools, right? And then find sweep1rule. Read your command bar. Select rule. This is rule, and select cross-section curves. This is the cross-section curves. Press enter. And you can see there are two options you can choose: freeform or root-like. There is no big difference for this model. So let's click OK. And then do the next one. Repeat the command. You can press space and select cross-section curve, press enter. You can see if we turn off the refit rule, these options here, the form of the model is changing. Because for refit rule, there is more limit for our new model. Click OK. And then the next one. You can choose multiple cross-section curves when you use sweep1rule command. Press enter and you will find there are more two options. Let's try close the sweep and also global shape blending. You can see the form is changing now. Click OK. The next one, select them one by one. Okay, maybe not refit rule, global. No, not global blending. Click OK. The next one is this one. Press enter. Root-like, freeform. No more difference for this one. Click OK. Let's try this one. The rule and cross-section curve. Press enter. This is freeform shape for this model, but if let us try root-like. You see we can make our ramp, right? Cool, and then click OK. The last one. I will tell you how to do this facade in Grasshopper license later. Let's do the simple version now. Select the rule and sweep1rule. One by one, and press enter. Choose root-like and click OK. And select another one. Cross-section curve and cross-section curve. Press enter. If you change your arrow direction or position, let's see what will happen. If we change it into another place, you will see the difference. You see, the form is not like a very smooth one. There are some broken surface. Then you know when you use sweep1rule to control your form, you need also focus on your arrow direction and position. Let's select the cross-section curves again. Both are in the same direction and position now. Press enter and click OK. Well, let's review what we learned in this tutorial. We used sweep1rule to create the forms, and also we learned how to cite the options in sweep1rule command. Okay guys, practice it. See you in the next tutorial.